Carpenter. She was in the second year of her apprenticeship as a carpenter. Delivery man. I did not want to appear like a delivery man. Baker. The baker bakes her bread in the bakery. Bus driver. The bus driver washed the windows as a classical music tape played from her dashboard. Doctor. My doctor referred me to a specialist. Chef. John worked as a chef in the Merchant Navy. Dentist. Visit your dentist twice a year for a checkup. Engineer. The company reinstated him as chief engineer. Farmer. The farmer grows potatoes in this field. Hairdresser. She set herself up as a hairdresser. Lawyer. She deposited the papers with her lawyer. Pilot. The trainee pilot flew her first solo today. Librarian. The librarian returned with the book I wanted. Nurse. A nurse took her arm and led her to a chair. Florist. The florist made up an attractive bouquet. Waiter, waitress. Serves tables in a restaurant. Works in a school educating children. Teacher. Pharmacist. The pharmacist will make up your prescription. Someone who writes books, articles, poems. Writer. Makes clothes for individual customers. Tailor. Carries out research and development in the natural sciences. Scientist. Treats mind and behavior issues. Psychologist. Investigates crimes. Police. A person who makes new reports in writing or through television. Journalist. A qualified person who decides cases in a law court. Judge. A person who reads the news, normally on television. Newsreader. A person who paints pictures or the interior and exterior of buildings. Painter. Photographer. The skilled photographer captured breathtaking landscapes and candid moments during a destination wedding. Actor. The talented actor delivered a captivating performance in the lead role of the play, earning a standing ovation from the audience. Archaeologist. The archaeologist unearthed ancient artifacts that shed light on the daily life of a long-lost civilization. Firefighter. The brave firefighter rushed into a burning building to rescue a family trapped inside. Ship captain. The seasoned ship captain commanded a large cargo vessel, overseeing the crew and managing the voyage.